What are beams? Beams will be introduced through the examples of a live example and definition, different types of beams based on their loading pattern, loading of beams and types of loads, shear forces that act on beams. Beams are described according to size, manner in which they are supported, and their location in any given structural system. A beam is generally considered to be any member subjected to principally to transverse gravity or vertical load. The term transverse loading is taken to include end moments. The diagram shows you a real-life example of beams. Beams are used to carry vertical gravitational forces and horizontal loads. In the image, the beams are carrying vertical forces and thus supporting the structure. This is a simple example of a fixed beam viewed from the front and the side respectively. P stands for the uniaxial load applied at the center of the beam. Following are the different types of beams: cantilever, simple supported, overhanging, continuous, fixed-ended. As told in the first slide, a beam can take up vertical gravitational forces and/or horizontal loads. We demonstrate that with the example of a cantilever beam. The first image shows a horizontal load acting in line with the axis of the beam. The second image shows a distributed vertical load along with a moment couple acting on the beam's axis. The third image shows a torsional load. The final image shows the three loads as concentrated load, distributed load, couple. The image shows a beam split into two. This is done to illustrate the loads and their respective nomenclature to help you understand the forces that act on a beam. The beam is split into two sections, left and right. First, we talk about shear forces. For the left section, positive shear acts downwards. For the right section, positive shear acts upwards. For the left section, negative shear acts upwards. For the right section, negative shear acts downwards. Now we talk about bending moments. For the left section, positive moment acts counterclockwise. For the right section, positive moment acts clockwise. For the left section, negative shear acts clockwise. For the right section, negative shear acts counterclockwise. Related terms are